Okay, now students come to the another case study. The another case study, that is this case study, students. So let's discuss this case study. इसे बेटा at the end क्या पूछा गया है? Identify the concept of management highlighted in the above paragraph. Right, students, you have to identify the concept of management. Also explain any 2 point of importance of this concept highlighted in the above para. Right, students, 2 point पूछे में बेटा highlight in the above para by quoting the lines. And this case study is of 6 marks, students. Right, students, so let's discuss the case study, students. Shinoy Limited is a company which provides car services at home and on road. There are different departments in the company like production, marketing, finance and human resource. The top management of the company tries its best level to synchronize the activity of different departments in the best possible manner. Right, students, synchronizes मतलब combines the activities of different department in the best possible manner. बेटा इसके अंदर ये पूछा गया है. I hope it is very much clear to you. Right, students, the process by which manager synchronizes the activity of different department is known as coordination. I hope from this line it has been clear कि coordination का question है और coordination आपने nature and significance of management में पढ़ा है students. So let's discuss further. The result is the increased efficiency and achievement of organizational goals. However, with the passing of time, the size of the company has grown and now there are many branches of the company. Thus, synchronization has turned more important with increase in the size of the company and the number of employees. The departmental head of the company are specialists in their respective fields and the top management tries to work with them by respecting their views on the subject. Their ego clashes are avoided to ensure smooth functioning of the organization. I hope students this is very much clear to you students now. So let's discuss the question. बेटा क्या इसमें क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है इसमें और इस क्वेश्चन में बेटा क्या लिखना है? This is supposed to be the case study of coordination students. So अब हम देखते हैं कि इसमें क्या पूछा है स्टूडेंट. Identify the concept of management highlighted in the above para. Also explain any 2 points of importance of the concept highlighted in the above para and quote the lines which helps in the identification. So let's discuss the answer, students, of this case study. Okay, now students, the answer is coordination. Let's identify the concept of management highlighted in the above paragraph. The answer is coordination. Also explain it 2 point of importance. Right, students, as you know, there are 3 importance under coordination. The very first is functional differentiation, then growth in size, then specialization. Functional differentiation, बेटा functional differentiation का मतलब क्या होता है coordination के अंदर? Functional differentiation का मतलब होता है कि there must not be any conflicts between the different departments in the organization. Right, students, आपस में department में कोई भी misunderstanding नहीं होनी चाहिए. Right, students, that is the very first importance of management, student. Right, and the next one is next importance इसके अंदर students ये होगी specialization और growth in size. Growth in size, student, with the increase in size of the organization, number of employees also increases. Generally, organized goals do not match with the individual goals. Coordination helps to solve this problem and tries to combine individual goals with group goals. Right, students, so let's discuss the quote the line, student. Functional differentiation हमें कहाँ से पता लगा? Functional differentiation, students, there are different departments in this company like production, marketing, finance and human resource. The top management of the company tries its best level to synchronize the activities of different department in the best possible manner. इस लाइन से बेटा आपको पता लगा कि कोऑर्डिनेशन का क्वेश्चन है और इसी लाइन से ही फ्रॉम दीज लाइन्स यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि बेटा इसमें क्या पूछा गया है. इसमें पूछा गया है फंक्शनल डिफरेंशिएशन. आई होप इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू. नाउ द सेकंड वन इज ग्रोथ इन साइज. Right, students, so growth in size आपको कहाँ से पता लगा? Growth in size, with the passage of time, the size of the company has grown and now there are many branches of the company. Right, students, I hope this is very much clear to you. From these lines you can easily understood कि इसमें बेटा second पूछी गई है growth in size. Right, students, however, with the passing of time, the sizes of the company has grown and now there are many branches in this कंपनी. राइट, स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें बेटा 2 ही इंपॉर्टेंस पूछी गई है लेकिन थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंस भी इसमें बन रही है. यू हैव टू राइट फ्रॉम एनी 2 फ्रॉम द अबव 3 Third, the departmental heads of the company are specialists in their respective fields, and the top management tries to work with them by respecting their views on the subject. Their ego clashes are avoided to ensure smooth functioning of the organization. Right, student, from these lines it has been clear. इसमें बेटा थर्ड आया स्पेशलाइजेशन. Third importance is specialization. Right, students, the departmental head of the company are specialists in their respective fields, and the top management tries to work with them by respecting their views on the subject. So write down. So I hope, students, it is very much clear to you. You have to write all the three importance, or you can write any two importance, right, student, from the above lines. So let's discuss the next question, students. I hope this question is very much clear to you. Okay, now students, the seventh case study. Come to the seventh case study. Come to the last two lines. It has been written. Identify and explain the 3 points of importance of management described in the paragraph above by quoting the relevant lines, students. Right? This question consists of 6 marks. Now, student, it has been clear to you that it is from the chapter Nature and Significance of Management. You have to write the 3 importance described in the above paragraph, students. So let's discuss the case study, students. The top management of Vrinda Limited has done proper arrangement for all the resources of man, machine, material and money for its business. A special attention has been paid to the running of all the activities properly. Several competitor companies were using imported modern machines influenced by them. This company also had to install similar machines. The technology of these machines are most sophisticated. Before the employees could protest against this technology, they were given the training in it. Hence, they expected the installation of these machines happily. Some of the employees understood this technology very soon. The company felt happy with their work and rewarded them. Its impact on the other employees was also positive. The top management had directed all the employees to have free and informal communication and give suggestions, lodge complaints, and even talk about their personal matters. Right, students, so this is supposed to be the case study, and from the above quote the lines, you have to mention the 3 importance of management. Right, students, it consists of 6 marks, students. So let's discuss the answer. Beta क्या आंसर होगा इसका? The very first, student, is management increases efficiency. Right, students, management increasing efficiency आपको कहाँ से पता लगा? ये आपको पता लगा बेटा जी, a special attention has been paid to running all the activities properly. Right, students, from this line you have to identify that management increases efficiency is one of the case study. Right, students, so the manager reduces cost. इसका meaning क्या है? Management increasing efficiency. The manager reduces cost through planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling the different activities of the organization and increase production. Right, students, so I hope it is very much clear to you. Students, a special attention has been paid to the running of all activities properly. Now come to the next one. Next importance क्या है? Several competitor companies were using import modern machines. Influenced by them, this company also had to install similar machines. The technology of these machines was more sophisticated. Now from these lines, it has been clear that management creates a dynamic organization. Right, students, dynamic matlab change with the changing conditions. Now management can change its working as per the changing company's requirement by using sophisticated machinery. Right, students, so several competitor companies were giving the training in it. So management creates a dynamic organization. The business environment keeps changing. The people protest against it, but the manager avoid the possible protest by telling the people the advantages of changes well in time. Right, students, so I hope this is very much clear to you. Right, students, now come to the third one. बेटा third one इसमें क्या कहा गया third one के लिए? The top management had directed all the employees to have free and informal communication and give suggestions, lodge complaints, and even talk about their personal matters. Now, as you know, there are two parties in any company, factory, firm, organization. The very first is management and the other one is workers. Now, top management had directed all the employees, means all the workers, to have free and informal communication and give suggestions. So from these lines, the answer is management helps in achieving personal objectives. Right, students, from these lines it has been very much clear. You have to write down the personal objectives. Right, students, personal objectives इसके अंदर आपको लिखने from the importance of management. Right, I hope this is very much clear to you, students. Now, so let's discuss the next case study, student. These are the from these case studies, it is very much clear that you have to quote the lines and then write down the answers from quote the lines. quote the lines से आपको पता लगेगा बेटा कि इसके अंदर क्या सब हेडिंग आनी है, इसके अंदर क्या कॉन्सेप्ट आना है, कौन सी इंपॉर्टेंस के अंदर आनी है। फिर उस इंपॉर्टेंस के बाद स्टूडेंट आपको मीनिंग लिखना है और फिर लाइन कोड करके लिखना है। आई होप स्टूडेंट दिस इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू, राइट स्टूडेंट। सो नेक्स्ट कम टू द नेक्स्ट केस स्टडी स्टूडेंट। ओके नाउ स्टूडेंट दिस इज सपोज टू बी द केस स्टडी जो कि सीबीएसई 2019 में 3 मार्क्स की लास्ट टाइम आई थी, यानी कि लास्ट ईयर केस स्टडी ऑल इंडिया पेपर सीबीएसई में आ चुकी है। सो लेट्स डिस्कस दिस केस स्टडी। सबसे पहले लास्ट लाइन देखते हैं क्या है। आइडेंटिफाई द एस्पेक्ट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट दैट हैज बीन इग्नोर्ड बाय मीता, ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन द सेम विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल। Right, there is one aspect of management which is ignored by Meeta in this case study. So let's discuss the case study students. Meeta has a successful ice cream business at Bikaner, namely Smart Flavors. Her ice creams were utterly delicious. She makes ice cream from fresh milk and the same are available in a wide range of flavors and packs. She sets viable business objectives and work the same in mind in order to ensure that the customers will come back for purchasing. Having the first mover advantage, her business was doing well. To earn higher profit, she started cutting cost. This would sometimes lead to delay in the delivery and the ice cream was not reaching the market on time. Right students, so from this you can take the hint. To earn higher profit, she started cutting cost. कॉस्ट को कम करने से स्टूडेंट उसका वर्क डिले हो रहा है और डिलीवरी ठीक टाइम पर नहीं हो पा रही है। देयर आर थ्री एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स। द वेरी फर्स्ट इज प्रोसेस, देन इफेक्टिवनेस एंड देन एफिशिएंसी। राइट स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू। राइट स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर थ्री एस्पेक्ट्स और थ्री कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट। सो फ्रॉम दीज थ्री कॉन्सेप्ट्स में से कोई एक कॉन्सेप्ट इसके अंदर पूछा गया है। आगे चलते हैं। ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम द डिमांड ऑफ आवर आइसक्रीम डिक्लाइंड and because in the competitor enter the market, she lost some of her market share to competitors. Right students, at the beginning of the summer season she got back-to-back orders for supply of 4,000 ice cream packs of different flavors for special occasions. Students, to ensure that the task was completed and orders delivered in time, she hired additional workers. She was thus able to produce and deliver the ice cream packs but at a high production cost. Right students, but at a high production cost. While completing activities and finishing the given task for achieving goals, Meeta realized that she was ignoring one of the important aspects of management. Student, right? So बेटा इस लाइन से हमें पता लगता है while completing activities and finishing the given task for achieving goals, Meeta realized that she was ignoring one of the important aspect of management. वो कौन सा aspect ignore कर रही है? या तो process है student, whether it is a process, whether it is effectiveness or efficiency. So let's discuss the answer students कि इसमें आंसर क्या होगा। And the answer is students efficiency. Right students, efficiency. She ignoring efficiency. Now what do you mean by the term efficiency? Efficiency means doing the task correctly and with minimum cost. Right students, task correctly भी होना चाहिए, minimum cost के साथ भी होना चाहिए, लेकिन बेटा वो टारगेट अचीव कर पा रही है एट अ हाई प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट। देखिए सेकंड पैराग्राफ में फोर्थ लाइन में लिखा है शी वॉज दस एबल टू प्रोड्यूस एंड डिलीवर द आइसक्रीम पैक बट एट अ हायर प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट। सो विच एस्पेक्ट मीता इज इग्नोरिंग अंडर दिस? द एस्पेक्ट इज एफिशिएंसी। राइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो आई होप द आंसर इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू। राइट, सो इसमें एक एग्जाम्पल भी आपको देना है। सो राइट, take the example students. Say a company target production is 5 units a year. The manager wants to achieve the production target by cutting down cost. He was able to cut down the cost but could not achieve the target production. In this case, the manager was efficient but not effective. He was efficient but not effective. I hope this is very much clear to you. Right students, if you find any difficulty you can ask me anytime students. So all the case studies are very much clear to you students. Okay students, today I am going to give you this case study audio video session student, and I am going to give you the another video based on the topic students of my notes. Notes covers the concept of management, importance, features of management, right students, and coordination of management. Right students, see both the videos very much clearly students, and mark attendance in the comment box students. It is compulsory for all the students to mark attendance in the comment box as well as WhatsApp group also students. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने एक केस स्टडी करी है. इस केस स्टडी के अलावा मैं आपको एक और वीडियो दूंगा अभी, और उस वीडियो के अंदर बेटा सारा एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा चैप्टर फर्स्ट का. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, उसमें 3 टॉपिक कवर होंगे. मैनेजमेंट, उसका कॉन्सेप्ट, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, राइट, मैनेजमेंट की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, मैनेजमेंट की इंपॉर्टेंस और कोऑर्डिनेशन. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन बेटा, जब भी नेक्स्ट सेशन होगा, right students, in the next continuous section I am going to discuss the next case studies and give you the next notes. next case studies होंगी बेटा आपकी nature of management and functions of management. nature of management means management as a science, art, profession के ऊपर case studies होंगी. प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग, डायरेक्टिंग, कंट्रोलिंग के फंक्शंस के ऊपर केस स्टडीज होंगी स्टूडेंट्स. और उसी के साथ बेटा मैं आपको इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन आई विल गिव यू 2 वीडियोस. द वेरी फर्स्ट इज केस स्टडीज वीडियो होगी इसी तरीके की, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज योर द वीडियो बेस्ड ऑन द नोट्स. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, तो सेकंड सेशन के अंदर दिस इज सपोज टू बी योर फर्स्ट सेशन जो हम इस चैप्टर को इस तरीके से लेके चल रहे हैं. मैंने आज आपको 2 वीडियो दी हैं, एक केस स्टडी की दूंगा और एक इसके नोट्स के एक्सप्लेनेशन की दूंगा. इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन नेक्स्ट हाफ की मैं आपको बेटा केस स्टडी की दूंगा और नेक्स्ट हाफ के बेटा मैं आपको नोट्स दूंगा. और उसके कंटिन्यूएशन में जो थर्ड सेशन होगा देन आई विल टेक द टेस्ट. वो टेस्ट होगा बेटा आपका, वो टेस्ट आपको इट इज वेरी मच कंपलसरी टू गिव द टेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स. वो चैप्टर, इस पूरे चैप्टर का टेस्ट होगा बेटा नेचर एंड सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट का टेस्ट होगा. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, बेस्ड ऑन दीज case studies, based on these notes students, right? So learn the notes, watch the videos very much carefully students. If you find any difficulty you can ask me. Right students, how to solve the case studies, just learn it from these videos students. Learn the notes from the earlier videos also on YouTube students, and then you will be able to solve the case studies students. As I told you earlier बेटा केस स्टडी तभी आप सॉल्व कर पाएंगे जब आपको नोट्स याद होंगे और जब आपने मेरी प्रीवियसली वीडियोस जो यूट्यूब पर हैं मैंने जो बनाई है वो आप देखें, समझें, लर्न करें. आई विल गिव यू माई पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन ऑल्सो. यू कैन टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम दैट. यू कैन राइट डाउन द की पॉइंट्स. आई विल गिव यू द माइंड मैप्स ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट्स. I have already given you the mind maps student. I have already given you the PowerPoint presentation and I have already given you the small notes also. जो 1-liner notes होते हैं बेटा, 1-liner notes और जो PowerPoint presentation है वो आपको हेल्प करती हैं केस स्टडी को सॉल्व करने में. आप सबसे पहले वीडियोस देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, उसके बाद बेटा लर्न करें नोट्स को. आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो लर्न द नोट्स, देन गो थ्रू द माइंड मैप्स, पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन, और जो बेटा मैंने आपको स्मॉलर वो दिया हुआ है, चैप्टर्स दिए हुए हैं ना स्मॉल फॉर्म में जो मैंने आपको दिए हुए हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म में दिए हुए. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, ओनली देन यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व द केस स्टडीज एंड सॉल्व द MCQs. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई गिव यू दिस वीडियो, राइट स्टूडेंट्स, बेस्ड ऑन केस स्टडी एंड अनदर वीडियो बेस्ड ऑन माई नोट्स जो जिनमें कि ये सारे टॉपिक्स आ जाएंगे. इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन आई विल गिव यू द सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ द केस स्टडी एंड सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ द नोट्स एक्सप्लेनेशन इन बोथ द वीडियोस. 2 वीडियोस आएंगे बेटा. और बेटा कंटिन्यूसली जो थर्ड सेशन होगा उसमें आई विल टेक द टेस्ट. आई विल गिव यू द टेस्ट. यू कैन सॉल्व इट इन द असाइनमेंट कॉपी और यू कैन सॉल्व इट इन द नोट्स कॉपी स्टूडेंट्स. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, बट डू द टेस्ट very much sincerely and very much attentively student, because this chapter is supposed to be the base. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपके बेटा 3 चैप्टर्स लगभग ओवर हो गए हैं. द वेरी फर्स्ट इज कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्शन, द नेक्स्ट वन इज मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट एंड थर्ड वन इज नेचर एंड सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल ऑल्सो गिव यू अ डायलॉग बॉक्स ऑल्सो. मैं बेटा आपको डायलॉग बॉक्स भी दूंगा मैनेजमेंट का, उसको आप पढ़िएगा और समझिएगा और सीखिएगा कि बेटा मैनेजमेंट किस तरीके से वर्क करता है और हाउ मैनेजमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन एवरी टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वेदर बिग और स्मॉल, पब्लिक और प्राइवेट. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, गवर्नमेंट, नॉन गवर्नमेंट, हाउस, क्लब्स, हॉस्पिटल्स. Right, it is very interesting dialogue box students, a conversation between a teacher and a student. Right students, if you find any difficulty you can ask me. So mark present in the comment box, it is compulsory, and mark the present in the comment box of both the videos and mark present on WhatsApp group also. If you find any difficulty you can ask me. Thank you students.